Hello everyone, this is Sinal Pagal. Welcome back to CodeBrain Education. Today we will discuss about Android layout types. We have different types of layouts available in Android to implement user interface for our Android applications with different designs based on our requirements. These are the commonly used layouts in Android application to implement required designs. For example, linear layout, relative layout, frame layout, table layout, wave view, grid view, list view, etc. From which today we will discuss about Android linear layout. In Android, linear layout is a view group subclass which is used to render all child view instances one by one either in horizontal direction or in vertical direction. In Android, we can specify the linear layout orientation using Android's orientation attribute. This is a pictorial representation of linear layout, horizontal linear layout and vertical linear layout. In linear layout, the child view instance is arranged one by one, so the horizontal list will have only one row of multiple columns and vertical list will have one column of multiple rows. We can define the linear layout in Android application as shown on the screen. In XML file, we have to define the tag called linear layout with L capital. And after that, we can define the attributes of this linear layout like layout width, layout height and orientation of this layout as vertical or horizontal. Now let's see an example of creating linear layout with different controls in Android application. For that, launch your Android Studio and create a new project. Now open an activity main.xml file from resource and then layout folder. So our activity_main.xml file is open. Now let's go to code behind file. And as you can see, right now my root element is constraint layout. Let's change it to linear layout. As you can see, I have taken 3 edit text and 1 button here. In third edit text, I have set the layout height to 0 dp, but I have set the layout weight as 1 and gravity as top. So once we are done with the creation of our layout file, we need to load this XML layout resource from our activity onCreate method. For that, go to main activity.java, and as we have created new project, our XML file is already loaded here. So when you run your project using Android virtual device, it looks like this. If you observe above example, we used layout weight attribute in child view. Let me show you. We used layout weight attribute in child view, Actually, this attribute is used by child views to specify how much space the view should occupy on the screen. If we assign larger weight value to child view, then it will expand to fill any remaining space in the parent view. And if you observe, we used 3 text fields and we assigned weight value to only one text field, as I said. The 2 text fields without weight will occupy only the area required to its content. These 2 text fields will occupy the area required to it only to its contents, but the third one, to which we have allotted or to which we have set the layout weight attribute, will occupy the value and this will expand to fill the remaining space after all 3 fields measured. This is how we can use linear layout in Android applications to render all view instances one by one, either in horizontal direction or vertical direction based on the orientation property. So this is it for today. Goodbye everyone.